Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to transfer crypto from Trust Wallet to Gate.io. So for this purpose, first you need to launch Trust Wallet app on your mobile phone. Then just log into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, then you can see some different cryptos on your Trust Wallet home page. So here I just select Ethereum ETH. So I just click on it, then this type of page will appear. Here you have the button of send. Once you click on it, then this type of page will pop up. Here you need to enter the address. So for entering address, you need to open a Gate.io mobile app on your mobile phone. Then at the bottom right on the screen, you have this assets tab. Click on it. Then this type of page will appear on your screen. Here you have this deposit button. Click on it. Once you click on deposit button, then this type of two deposit method will pop up on your screen. On-chain deposit and gate code. Here I just click on on-chain deposit. Then this page will pop up. From here you need to select coin. So I just click on ETH. If you don't find this coin, then use this search bar and here just search for ETH or any coin which you want to select. Then this type of page will pop up on your screen. Here you have to select deposit address. So I just select Ethereum ETH. Then this type of page will appear where you can see this address and this code. Just copy this code from this page. Then go back to your Trust Wallet and paste that code here in this box of address or domain name. Then you need to enter the amount for withdrawal. Once you enter amount, then click on next button. So this way you can see you can transfer crypto from Trust Wallet to Gate.io. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions related to it, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching.